We at the Trust are really excited to have street artist ATM down here at Langstone Harbour to paint a thresher shark on the side of the Langstone Harbour office building. We chose this building because of its prominent location right on the entrance to Langstone Harbour. So anyone who's visiting Langstone Harbour, whether that's walkers or cyclists or people coming in and out of the harbour on their jet skis or on their sailing boats, will all be able to see our thresher shark.
Hampshire and Isle of Wight Wildlife Trust got in contact with me and they asked me to paint a series of 6 murals of different underwater species around the Solent. When I first saw this building, the Langstone Harbour office, I thought that it's perfect. The building's a perfect shape for a thresher shark to go fit in above the window.
So we're really glad to have ATM here painting a thresher shark for us. We know what a fantastic artist he is from the other murals he's done for us already, and the thresher shark is such a wonderful animal that visits our waters every summer. It comes to an area to the east of the Isle of Wight, and this appears to be an area where they breed and have their young. Nobody really knows where they go in the ocean, and so later this summer we're hoping that we're going to be able to actually attach a satellite tag to a thresher shark caught off the Isle of Wight and then monitor its progress for a whole year, and that will be really important information that will help us learn so much more about the thresher shark's annual life cycle.
ATM's painting these murals for us as part of our Secrets of the Solent project. This is a project funded by the National Lottery Heritage Fund, and it's a 4-year project looking to raise awareness of the wonderful marine species and habitats we have in the Solent.
What I really hope people are going to take away from this is the knowledge that our Solent and our harbours and our seas around the island are really important. We have fantastic marine wildlife, we have fantastic marine protected areas and habitats, but we are also connected to the rest of the world ocean, and nothing reminds us of that better than a fantastic oceanic shark visiting us once every year.
I hope people, when they see the murals, will become more aware of what lives under the waves and the importance of protecting this vital habitat in the Solent.